Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Shopify product feed errors in Google Merchant Center. If your products have errors in Merchant Center, they may not appear on Google Shopping or free listings, which can reduce your store's visibility and sales. Fortunately, most feed errors are easy to identify and fix. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Merchant Center account and go to Products, then Diagnostics. This page lists all the issues affecting your product feed. Click on an error to see which products are affected and read Google's explanation of the problem before making any changes. Next, open your Shopify admin and go to Products. Select one of the affected products and review its information carefully. Make sure the product title, description, price, availability, brand, and images are complete and accurate. Any missing or inconsistent information can trigger feed errors. Another common issue is missing product identifiers. If your products have a GTIN, UPC, EAN, or MPN, add them to the product details in Shopify. Google uses these identifiers to match your products with its catalog, and missing values can lead to warnings or disapprovals. You should also check your product images. Google requires high-quality images that clearly show the product without promotional text, watermarks, or excessive borders. If necessary, upload a cleaner image in Shopify and allow it to sync with Merchant Center. Next, review your shipping and tax settings in Google Merchant Center. These settings should match the information customers see during checkout in Shopify. Incorrect shipping costs or tax settings can create feed errors even if your product information is correct. It's also important to confirm that your products are active and published to the online store sales channel. Products that aren't available on your storefront may not sync correctly with Google Merchant Center. If you're using the Google and YouTube sales channel, open the app in Shopify and check for any sync notifications or account issues. If the sync has been interrupted, reconnect your Google account if necessary and allow Shopify to resubmit your product feed. After fixing the reported issues, return to Google Merchant Center and wait for the next product feed update. Most changes sync automatically from Shopify, although it may take several hours before Google processes the updated information. Keep checking the diagnostics page over the next few days. Some issues are resolved automatically after Google recrawls your product data, while others may require additional edits based on Google's recommendations. Finally, make it a habit to review your Merchant Center account regularly. Keeping product information accurate, maintaining high-quality images, updating inventory, and checking diagnostics will help prevent future feed errors and improve your visibility on Google Shopping. And that's it. That's how to fix Shopify product feed errors in Google Merchant Center. By reviewing your diagnostics, updating your product information, adding accurate identifiers, checking shipping settings, and monitoring your product sync, you can keep your product feed healthy and improve your visibility on Google Shopping. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.